One thing about Alzheimer's disease is it robs people of their memories. Now, what exactly is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is an irreversible brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills and eventually the ability to carry out the simplest of tasks. It can also lead to death from complete brain failure. Some symptoms of Alzheimer's disease include memory loss, which can show us an inability to acquire new information. And this usually starts at the early stage of the disease. At the mid-stage, the person affected after losing his or her writing and reading skills may fail to remember close relatives. Also at this stage, long-term memory can also be damaged. At the severe stage of Alzheimer's disease, people affected will thoroughly rely on the help of their caregivers because they will be unable to perform the simplest of tasks. And most times, these caregivers are usually the affected person's loved ones. Alzheimer's disease is very painful to the loved ones of the victims because it hurts to be forgotten by someone you care about, especially when it's totally out of your control. So what causes Alzheimer's disease? Although the cause is poorly understood, it is characterized by changes in the brain which includes abnormal extracellular amount of neurotoxins like amyloid plaques which prevent communication between the brain and neurons, resulting in a progressive loss of brain function. Sometimes age may be mistaken as the cause of Alzheimer's disease because it commonly affects people over the age of 65. But age is just a risk factor. Now, a risk factor is something that increases the chance of developing a disease, and age is an important risk factor of Alzheimer's disease.